I'll pilot.
I'm good. Crank it.
The only way we're gonna get General Barrow is through his daughter, Erendira. We can use her as bait to draw Barrow out, but we need her to cooperate. Do whatever you have to in order to convince her.
Keep an eye out. The General's daughter should be around.
Shot down the helo.
Deploying drone.
There's a cartel commendation here. There she is. Keep in mind she's our only lead. We need her.
And if she don't want to help?
Like I said, she's our only lead. Erendira, buen día. We're looking for General Barrow.
Lo siento. Mire, I cannot help you.
You can and you will. We know the General is your father. We only want to meet him.
¿Qué? Why should I believe you?
Because you don't have a choice. You think the cartel sicarios are bad? We are the people they have nightmares about.
Papa? Some gringos have found me. Americanos. I am not hurt. They say they only want to meet. No, I do not trust them. He says you are malos, peligrosos, but he has given me a location.
Saddle up. We need General Barrow alive, but I don't expect him to be friendly. Want to get to that RV first.
The RP. Keep your eyes open. I don't trust the big man.
Got some hostile activity.
It's the general.
You Yankees are proud bastards. Bolivia.
Ambush! General fucked us over. Get him!
Looks like we riled them up. Copter, get down.
Stop that captain from running.
Good to go.
Shitballs. I asked the rebels to drop off a ride.
Here's your combat vehicle, amigo.
Taking a shot.
Open fire.
Roger.
Quédate quieto.
Our good general knows when to surrender.
Didn't have to go down this way.
Of course it did, cabron. You threatened my daughter. My only regret is that I did not bring more soldiers.
Sir, we've come to you because we need your help.
This is not what I asked for.
Ambush! General fucked us over. Get him! Fire!
I can't fuck. Engage. Down, get down,
Let's
chopper.
focus on the mission. Sir, we've come to you because we need your help.
This is not how one asks for help in Bolivia.
This isn't the normal kind of help we're asking. We're working with the rebels. We want to take down the Santa Blanca cartel. You can't be happy with how they're treating your country.
Do they treat it any worse than the Americans?
Sir, your daughter's safe. Whether or not you help us, you are coming with us.
Here's our intel on enemy locations. Copy that. A third team will be right there.
Who need that chopper? Stay low.
Copy that, Yankee. Troops are moving into position.
Chopper, hit the dirt. Got that fucking needle.
I asked Patrick Carter to send some vehicle.
Chopper, down, down. Kilo's down. Take cover already. Gonna blow. Almost done. You with me, man? I'll be right there.
Fucking hell!
That thing's gonna explode.
Put a call to the rebels for a diversion. Call Pakatari for some mortar fire.
We copy. Fire for effect. Out.
Copter, get down.
I requested a vehicle from the rebels.
That Apache's gonna come loose. Get down. Down, get down, chopper.
I just requested a rebel recon of this area.
Helicopter, get down.
Bastardo, these were good men!
Una novedad hasta ahora. Mantengan la búsqueda. Perdimos contacto con...
You guys all good? Damn, I love this job.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Bastardo, these were good men!
All right, let's roll.
My daughter, she's nothing like me. She's kind where I am coarse. She thinks with her heart. I could never understand that.
I'm not sure we're supposed to understand our children. We just hope they learn from our mistakes.
She's ashamed of me, no? Ashamed of me and my mistakes. She could have hidden from my enemies in England, in España. Instead, She stays in Bolivia, teaching in a poor school in a dangerous area. She's trying to serve my penance for me.
You're no angel, sir. But I think your daughter's the kind of girl who does what she wants for her own reasons.
Why else would she do such a thing? She could have lived a life of comfort, in peace.
Maybe she loves her country too much to leave it.
See, perhaps. Perhaps she's too much like me. It is not so good to be too patriotic.
Approaching extraction point. Keep your eyes open.
Bastardo, these were good men! I was in La Paz trying to speak to the president when you had my daughter call me. I have known for some time that our relationship with Santa Blanca is untenable, but I could not convince the bureaucrats there of our situation.
They wouldn't let you speak with the president.
No. And I fear that I revealed my intentions to men and women who are already in the pocket of Sueño. But today, corruption is the Bolivian way of life.
I've been trading too many shots with Unidad to feel any sympathy, sir.
I had wanted order when I made peace with Santa Blanca. But it is an order fueled by corruption and violence against our citizens. That is my responsibility, and I will help make it right.
It's an uphill battle. But if you don't want any more violence for Bolivia, for your daughter, we have to shut this down proper.
I may have a few loyal officers who are willing to see things my way. Also, I have a friend, a colonel in the regular army. He may be able to help. But all of this is going to take time.
Then let's start now.
Nomad, this is Bowman. Beautiful work in Flor de Oro. With General Barro turning against the cartel and our own assets protected, shit is gonna get tough for corrupted officers inside Unidad.
And for the Santa Blanca friends.
Hell yeah. With Barro and his military contacts on our side, you can expect Unidad patrols to get a lot less lenient with cartel members.
Way to build tension.
Exactly. And give our rebel friends more room to operate.
They will be moving onto rougher terrain. I'll be in touch. Nomad out.